Mercedes-Benz has once again stolen the spotlight with the latest look of the 2026 GLE AMG. In its new model, this luxury SUV comes with a much more futuristic design, combining typical AMG elements with modern touches a la Mercedes EQ line. The front is the main highlight, where the typical panamericana grille is replaced with a full digital look design with a triangular motif that is often found on the EQ model, but still retains the iconic 3-star logo in the middle. The headlights look slimmer and more aggressive, giving a sharp expression that depicts the high performance typical of AMG. The body lines are made more assertive and flowing, reinforcing the impression of aerodynamics and power. While the rims use a large multi-spoke design, giving an elegant yet sporty aura. Kit and under spoiler gives a fierce impression that immediately attracts attention. Many netizens and automotive enthusiasts think this is a pure electric model because its appearance is very similar to the EQ family, but it still carries the DNA of AMG, which is powered by gasoline.